Hello aspirants, welcome to FemPower IAS. Jerdon's cursor is a critically endangered species under IUCN. Jerdons are mostly found at untouched scrub jungle with open areas. Clearing of scrub jungle, creation of new pastures, cultivation, illegal trapping, construction of river canals are the major threats of these species. Jerdons are nocturnal birds. They are found only in the east Ghats of the Andhra Pradesh in Peninsula. This species was considered to be extinct until it was rediscovered in 1986 and the area of rediscovery declared as the Sri Lankameshwara Wildlife Sanctuary.